In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus in Wix Studio. A well-structured and clean navigation menu is essential for any website because it helps your visitors find exactly what they need quickly and easily. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix Studio editor. Once you have it up and running, look to the left side of your screen for the Add Elements button. Clicking on this will reveal a menu of options, and you'll want to select Menu and Search from this list. As soon as you do, you'll be presented with various menu styles to choose from, including horizontal menus, vertical menus, and the modern hamburger menu. Now let's discuss these options a bit further. Horizontal menus are a great choice if you want full control over customization and design. They're perfect for the top of your page, giving a classic and organized look. Vertical menus, on the other hand, are ideal for sidebar layouts. They provide a different navigation flow and can complement certain designs beautifully. Finally, if you're looking for something minimal and contemporary, the hamburger menu is your go-to. This type of menu is neatly tucked away and only appears when clicked, which saves space and keeps the design minimalistic. Once you've settled on the menu style that suits your needs best, simply drag it onto your page. Position it where you'd like it to appear. One of the benefits of the Wix editor is that it lets you see your changes in real time. This means you can instantly adjust the size and position of your menu until it integrates seamlessly with your overall design. Moving on to the next step, it's time to add menu items. Select your menu and click on Manage Menu. Then hit the plus Add Menu Item button. From here, a world of possibilities opens up. You can add standard site pages, app or dynamic pages, such as product pages, and even links to external websites, page anchors, or contact details. If you're looking to get more advanced, consider creating drop-down menus. These are incredibly useful for grouping subpages under one main tab. Not only do they keep your website looking tidy, but they also provide your visitors with an organized and smooth navigation experience. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've managed to build a fully customized navigation menu that enhances user-friendliness and visual appeal on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future Wix tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.